Ever stumbled upon a tool that made you go, wow? In today's video, we have curated a list of incredible tools that are not just innovative, but are on a whole different level. But before moving ahead, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. 1. Evolution Cordless R2700 WLT Lee Work Light. Designed in the UK, it is a versatile illumination tool with 3 distinct brightness settings, ensuring it's always ready to light up your workspace or campsite. On a single 2 amp-hour battery charge, it provides up to 4.5 hours of continuous operation, making it a dependable light source. Equipped with 30 long-lasting LEDs, each LED has a lifespan of around 5,000 hours. The robust steel frame, coupled with IP20 protection, gives you convenience even in cramped and dusty environments. Its 360-degree adjustability allows you to mount it on a beam, hang it on a nail, or position it in a way that suits your needs. This work light is not just a source of illumination, but a blend of durability, flexibility, and reliability, making it a worthy investment at $63. 2. WORKPRO Cordless Reciprocating Saw. A versatile saw is designed to tackle various tasks, ranging from garden twig trimming to metal handling. This particular model comes bundled with 4 distinct blades, ensuring you're well equipped for diverse projects right out of the box. Remarkably, blade replacement requires no additional tools, which makes it suitable for its user-friendly design. Powered by a robust 2800 RPM motor and a 4 amp-hour battery, this saw is engineered to handle even the most complex and lengthy projects easily. With a reasonable price of $85, an optimized ventilation system is also integrated to safeguard the tool against overheating. 3. Folding Pull Saw. A novel invention where the handle doubles as a cover for the blade, transforming the tool's length from 60 centimeters to a compact 33.5 centimeters for effortless storage and portability. With one side boasting 17 teeth per 2.5 centimeters and the other featuring 7 to 10 teeth, this pull saw is tailored for a spectrum of cutting tasks. Despite its lightweight nature at 450 grams, it's built for the long haul, making even extended projects much easier. And with a price tag of $29, it's an accessible addition to any toolkit, blending affordability with innovation. 4. TOLSEN Revolving Punch Pliers. It is a handy tool that fits its place in hobbyists and professionals' toolkits. It is an indispensable companion when working with leather, capable of creating holes in 6 distinct sizes, with the largest being 4.5 millimeters. It's also useful for handling other DIY projects, effortlessly punching through cardboard, rubber, and plastic materials. With a price tag of just $12, it is a valuable addition to any crafting toolkit, offering a blend of functionality and affordability. 5. Prism Nail Holder. It is designed to enhance the utilization of a total station, an everyday gadget on construction sites and during municipal or landscaping tasks. This model elevates the total station's range and precision by employing adjustable prisms alongside it, specifically engineered to lock onto a nail. A built-in level is incorporated to facilitate accurate leveling. This model has been designed with detachable upper and lower parts for ease of transport, making it easy to move around. The pricing starts at $390, with variations based on the Prism constant. 6. Kreg Micro Pocket Drill Guide Kit 530. It is made to cater to both beginner and seasoned professionals. It comes with an expansion pack, a jig clamp, drill guides, and other useful add-ons, offering various options to suit different needs. One of the drill guides comes with an Automax clamp that accommodates workpieces ranging from 13 to 28 millimeters in thickness, and it also can connect to a vacuum cleaner for a cleaner working environment. Additional supports can be attached to ensure stability when dealing with lengthy boards and plywood. For thinner workpieces, a specially designed drill guide is available, allowing you to drill holes that are 25% smaller, ensuring precision and neatness in your work. The kit costs about $300, making it a valuable investment for various woodworking projects. 7. Hyde Tools 4-inch Roller. Created for the bustling community of painters worldwide, it has an upper part boasting a 180-degree rotational capability. The kit is thoughtfully bundled with 2 adapters measuring 19 and 38 millimeters in diameter, rendering this roller a versatile companion suited for minor touch-ups and major repairs. This unique design makes navigating tricky, narrow, and awkward spaces easy. Additionally, the handle houses threaded adapters at its base and accommodates extension pulls for those hard-to-reach spots. This roller is both accessible and cost-effective, priced at just $12. 8. Debarker PRO. It is an intriguing fusion of a chainsaw with a debarker attachment, designed meticulously to strip away bark and dirt, thereby extending the lifespan of the saw blade by preventing rapid blunting. Among these chainsaws, the Debarker PS6100, a robust performer, boasting a 4.6 horsepower engine, and an automatic lubrication feature ensures smooth operation. A single fill-up facilitates 30 minutes of uninterrupted work, making it reliable in demanding tasks. Weighing about 6 kilograms, this setup costs $742 for the Debarker PS6100 and an additional $230 for the debarker attachment. 9. CENTERFINDER. Designed to ease the common construction task of marking boards for cutting, this solution requires no batteries, rechargeable cells, or settings adjustments, making it a hassle-free addition to your toolkit. It's adept at handling boards of up to 65mm, with the only additional requirement being a pencil for marking. The CENTERFINDER comes with measurement options in both inches and millimeters, offering various increments, ranging from 0.2 to 1.6 centimeters, catering to different project needs. A notable feature for ease of use and storage is a magnet incorporated in one of its legs, ensuring it's always within reach when needed. This unique tool costs only $7. 10. ROTHENBERGER R600 VarioClean. A tool for maintaining clean pipes indoors or outdoors. It is tailored for a wide range of pipe diameters, from 20 to 150mm. The cordless feature of the R600 VarioClean is a boon for those adventurous trips to remote locations that do not have electricity, ensuring that pipe cleaning tasks are not hindered. With a price tag of $3,100, it's an investment towards hassle-free and efficient pipe maintenance. 11. WEICON Tools Fiber Optic Stripper. A wire stripper crafted for handling fiber optic cables, making it a versatile tool for both right and left-handed users. This tool accommodates cables up to 0.125mm in diameter, effortlessly stripping insulation ranging from 200 to 250 micrometers in thickness. With a precise blade diameter of 0.16mm, it ensures accurate stripping without causing any damage to the delicate fibers. The body of the stripper is engineered to prevent accidental slipping during use and is fortified with fiberglass, enhancing its durability for long-term use. Manufactured in Germany, a hallmark of reliability and longevity, the price of the stripper is $50. 12. Kneel-It V3. A well-thought-out solution for anyone who spends long hours on their knees, a position known to disrupt blood circulation and, when done on cold or hard surfaces, could potentially lead to arthritis over time. The Kneel-It V3 comprises roller mounts accompanied by a spring-loader seat, offering a 360-degree rotation capability and a weight handling capacity of up to 113 kilograms. It's designed to function efficiently on various surfaces, including asphalt, concrete, or even bare ground. Besides relieving your knees, it also prevents back strain, making it a wise purchase for amateur and professional individuals who engage in tasks that require prolonged kneeling. 13. Kreg Quick-Flip. A budget-friendly and highly functional tool that acts as a 2-in-1 double-sided drill bit designed to streamline your woodworking tasks. This ingenious tool allows you to drill a pilot hole effortlessly, create a counterbore to conceal the head of the screw, and then drive the screw home, all in a seamless operation. It is an ideal companion for furniture assemblers, with the added advantage of an adjustable pilot hole depth to cater to varying requirements. The Kreg Flip comes with a modest price tag of just $15, making it a smart and economical choice for enhancing your assembly efficiency. 14. Lockjaw Ladder Grip. An innovative tool that aims to significantly reduce the accidents caused by falling from the ladder by securely locking onto the gutter within 5 seconds, providing a stable support that can endure up to 100 kilograms of static load. Despite its simplistic appearance, the tool has garnered notable recognition, clinching the Best New Tool Award at the International Roofing Expo 2020. Its utility has found favor among varying professionals, including insurance adjusters, who often ascend onto roofs for their tasks. Priced at $164, this tool is a worthy investment toward ensuring safety and preventing potentially life-threatening falls. Now we are curious to know, which one of these gadgets would you love to get your hands on? Share your thoughts in the comment section below, and subscribe to the channel for more updates from the tech world. We will see you in the next one.